and freeze. Take a peep but no cheese. Is that the chick or she tease you? Get the paper cause the bills up. All I do is hit the billboard. This verse so cynical. All I do is to do conquer. Whatever it takes to be boss. I still gotta pay for the cost. Give you your money, no be false. Curry, babbing on the punk. Your baby girl feeling on my trunk. I see you, but for the talk. I've been grinding, good luck. But right now I'm coming for the ball, Payday man, I just be balling with all of the veterans. Payday man, reach through the jungle, he deserve a settlement. Payday man, I just be puffing and drinking my lemonade. Payday man, I just be balling with all of the veterans. See when you putting on the work, pocket feeling good to talk. Fine girl from Georgia, check on for me, Udoka. Every time I speak is golden, let a preacher bless the beat is holy. But me and my boys are still rolling 24/7, oh boy no Johnson. The favorite artist is a part of me. I just be spicing with kitty shit, cause that's what we doing with dignity. And you just be doing it differently. One day and one day go pay. I this still start today. Paper before to the day. Haters far away. What do you expect me to say? Tough on the streets, so I bake. Heaven relate. Where is my check for today? Tell mama fix me a plate. Heaven relate. How do I keep up with fame? Double through the pain. Heaven relate. How do I keep up with fame? Double through the pain. Heaven relate. Payday man, I just be balling with all of the veterans. Payday man, reach through the jungle, he deserve a settlement. Payday man, I just be puffing and drinking my lemonade. Payday man, I just be balling with all of the veterans.
All right, as you can see, I got the engine back in the car. Got the oil added, battery connected, coolant topped off, and belt put on. So I'm going to put the jump box here, because I know this battery is low. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna attempt our first start. I got some oil in the filter before I put it on. So I do have a little bit of oil in there. And sometimes what I like to do is I unplug the ignition coils. And I can prime it up a little bit. It's hard for this thing no one to grab. Just grab it somewhere there. Alright, that's good. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect some of this ignition coil. And we're going to try and spin it over just one time, and then I will come back and connect it, and then we're going to attempt our start. Alright, it's spinning. Nothing is hitting each other. I think that should be enough to get some oil up in the top of the engine. We're going to connect the ignition coils back on. And then I'm going to give it another shot. There you go. Did we fix something? Did we fix something? Yeah, I think we did. I think we did. That is night and day. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. It's still trying to figure itself out, so it's gonna run a little bit kind of rough. You know, it's very smooth right now. And normally, sometimes it run a bit rougher than this, but I'm gonna let it run a little bit, prime up. You know, you're gonna have some smoke. That is from the oil that is spilled on the exhaust system, so that is normal. So we're gonna fill it up with some more water, and we're gonna let it warm up to operating temperature. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some tires on it and assemble the rest of the things, and we're gonna go on a test drive. So that's it. It's running well. There you go. So the repair was a success. I am happy. I'm happy. So guys, we're gonna go on a test drive, but if you're watching right now to this point, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe, man. It takes a lot of work to do this video and why trying to do this work. So, you know, hit that like button. You know, put your comment, what you think about the job. If you have a suggestion, maybe a better way to do this, if you have done this job, let me know. I will appreciate. I'm open to criticism, and I'm also open to suggestion. You know. All right, guys. Take care. Stay blessed.